The economic fate of China and the U.S. continue to be connected. Chinese companies are ramping up their entry into the U.S. Rochelle Kufel is in the newsroom with more on this story. Rochelle.
That's right, Phil. 2013 was an impressive year for Chinese companies in terms of listing on the U.S. markets. Initial public offerings from 8 of them raised a total of $880 million. Only 2 companies listed in 2012. Online retailer Light in the Box went public in June on the New York Stock Exchange, raising $79 million. Classified ads provider 58.com and travel website Qunar.com listed as well, raising $187 and $167 million respectively. 2010 was the best year for Chinese IPOs, with 38 of them listing. But a series of corporate accounting scandals in China had investors looking elsewhere in 2011. However, it seems investors are warming up to Chinese IPOs again, thanks to their strong returns. On average, Chinese companies listing in the US in 2013 had a first-day return of nearly 36%. That's around twice the value of their American counterparts. And with the Chinese government loosening restrictions on cash flows out of the country, Chinese investors are increasingly being seen as cash-rich buyers, especially when it comes to US real estate. 70% of Chinese buyers paid cash for US properties last year, according to the National Association of Realtors. But it's the pace of those investments that's worth watching in 2014. Real Capital Analytics estimates Chinese investors spent $3 billion on US real estate in 2013. That's a 900% increase compared to 2012. And New York City is still the favorite among Chinese buyers, with home prices there rising faster than other major cities. As you can see, Los Angeles and Irvine are also hot property markets for Chinese buyers, with Detroit, Las Vegas, and Orlando rounding out the list. Now, the biggest drivers: commercial development opportunities, vacation homes, and investment properties near colleges for the future students in the family. Although the $6.5 million Manhattan apartment one Chinese mother bought her 2-year-old daughter last year might be a bit out of most people's budgets. Back to you, Phil.
Some amazing statistics, Rochelle. Great research. Thank you very much.